Ticket scams. Scammers sell counterfeit tickets to concerts, sporting events, or other entertainment venues, using fake or duplicated tickets that do not grant entry to the event. Travel scams. Scammers offer fake travel deals, vacation packages, or timeshare resales at deeply discounted prices, but never deliver the promised services or accommodations. Fake charity collections. Scammers go door to door or call individuals, pretending to collect donations for a fake charity. Loan scams. Scammers promise victims a loan in exchange for upfront fees or personal information, but never provide the loan or refund the fees. Pet sale scams. Scammers advertise pets for sale online, often using fake photos or descriptions, and require victims to pay upfront fees or deposits for the pet. Employment scams. Scammers post fake job listings online or in newspapers and require applicants to pay upfront fees for background checks, uniforms, or training materials that are never provided. Misleading advertising scams. Scammers use misleading advertisements to sell low-quality or non-existent products, often exaggerating the product's features or benefits. Online dating extortion. Scammers build online relationships with victims through dating websites or social media, and then threaten to expose personal conversations or photos unless a ransom is paid. Prize and grant scams. Scammers inform victims that they have won a prize or grant, but require them to pay a fee up front to claim their winnings. In reality, there is no prize or grant. ACH pull scam. Scammers use QuickBooks or other ACH, automated clearinghouse, systems to pull funds from victims' bank accounts without authorization. Lottery or sweepstakes scam. Scammers exploit the promise of prizes by convincing victims they've won a lottery or sweepstakes and charging fees for processing or claiming the prize. Self-checkout scam. Scammers exploit self-checkout systems in retail stores by either underpaying for items or not paying at all, by scanning cheap